Whoa! Yeah, baby! It's so fun. I kind of want to air out that first little jump phase. That might be kind of fun. Just like let it rip all the way into it. Might have to hit it a time or two more before I do that though. Alright, so I just did a little start kind of into it. Let's try a third gear start. I don't know if we have much run up for that. Actually, no, we'll do second gear. Woo! You like that?
Do a little drag race up the hill, side by side.
Oh shit, we can. If you whoever starts on that side, get the better, because you have to.
Right side line, yeah, there's a little rock there.
We can try it. Let's do it. Oh, he just went ahead. Huh? I thought so too. Alright. Alrighty. Huh? That bike's a piece of junk compared to this. There he goes. But it rips though. It runs amazing. There he goes. Alright, trying the, I believe, what is it, 2023? How do I start this thing? What the fuck? Oh, right, this side. Oh, for a two-stroke, there's like no vibration in the bars. This thing feels so much different. Oh my god. Yeah, this thing is the most crazy two-stroke I've ever ridden. Like, my god, this is so soft. No vibration like in the bars. Obviously it's a new bike, so all the brakes are just like no other. Woohoo! Let's do one more hill climb hit before we go back and take a little break. Woo, that's fun. Yeah, the YZ definitely, I think, has a little more ass to it, like a little more power, maybe raw power. But this thing, the feel on this thing is just insanely good. I think it's the best feeling bike I've ever rode. Might have to do it just one more time with these guys. There you go. The YZ definitely just has a little more acid. Alright, I'm gonna take a break, fill up. We'll be back out here. I think we gotta complete the trifecta and take the beta out on this hill climb, see how it does. So far, this thing, oh my god, it's like riding on a cloud. It's insane. Alright, we gotta complete the trifecta and take the beta on the hill climb. Look like we got a little crowd over at the hill climb. We've taken the YZ. We've taken the KTM 250 XC. Now let's take the beta 480, see what she's about. Hit a couple times on it. Smooth! I like it, I like it. I was just thinking when I was on the trails with this a minute ago, I took this on a trail ride. I was thinking, you know, for a 480, it doesn't really have too much power. Like, it's very easy to handle power compared to like an MX bike 450, you know, more punchy. But most times those MX bikes are way too punchy for the trails anyways. Oh, that's fun. I could hit that hill climb all day. Oh, we got an enduro. That's my first time hitting a tire. Oh, that one's washed out. Oh shit. Oh, I guess we're supposed to go that way? Whoo! I don't know about that. This ain't my bike. Man, this stuff, that type of stuff looks easy when you see someone on GoPro or video do it, but alright, one more time on the beta for the hill climb. Good stuff. And there's hitting that hill climb with 3 different bikes. Super fun hill climb. Not really like that hard. Kind of looks big when you roll right up to it. But, you know, pretty easy hill climb. It's just fun because they keep it groomed pretty well. So you can just rip it up that hill climb. But yeah, appreciate y'all watching. Got a couple other brushy videos that I'm already dropped or I'm dropping. So be sure to subscribe for those and keep an eye out. And I'll see y'all in the next video.